How's it going, everyone? Parts from T3 have finally arrived. Got a lot of stuff that came in. So today we're going to go and do the back end of the car and see how much of that we can get done today. On another episode, I will do the the complete front end. Got everything in now, so let's get started. So what we have here is we got the 4-link setup here, but I opted for the urethane on one side, spherical on the other. Got a Panhard rod. It's been put to the proper length of the original Panhard bar on this car, and it's actually different length than the A86s. And then I got the AGX shock absorbers to go on here, and the Swift springs. I also got these isolators. They came all the way from Japan. Overnight parts. And what I've done so far on this is just basically put the 4-link to the smallest length possible, because I don't have the original control arms. I had to hack them off. So we'll put everything on at original length at the smallest possible, and then later on adjust accordingly. Now, if you look at the axles all installed, well, most of it is. Brake lines are on there, and the center brake line will be attached today. I don't have calipers for the rear. The original calipers that I had painted had all ready to go. Turned out they leaked like crazy, so they're being replaced. I'm just waiting for new ones to come in. So that, and I have to, oh yeah, I'm also waiting for rotors. So in the meantime, let's see how much I can get done here. Okay, 40 on the one side there, just to see what I'm up against, and then I'm just going to put this other side in for everybody here on YouTube land. So let's see how it goes. Okay, now let's get this thing all hooked up.
I didn't think we could fall in love, broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free.
Tight again, and that does it. So that's what it looks like all mounted up. The inner forelink required the special bolts that Toyota originally provided with it. They're extra long. Everything fits nicely. Now I just gotta, I guess, try to angle this and get it as close as possible before I put the springs and shocks on. So let's see what we can do on that. So as it sits right now, the axle is basically close to where it should be. It's definitely going to need to be measured and checked again by an alignment shop. The pinion angle is wrong. Should be about 90 degrees or down a bit right now, but we'll leave it at that just to get the Panhard rod on. And there it is right there. Put that on there and then we'll start adjusting it accordingly.
They were blinded, tried to deny us, didn't think we were following our hearts. We are breaking free, it's just you and me. We might fall apart, now we're running away with our hearts. Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break free?
Alright, now that we got that all sorted out, let's get the springs and shocks in there. So, these are brand new isolators. Super hard to find. Again, overnight parts from Japan, yo. And now we will stick the shock absorbers on. And we're just going to tighten up the top of the shock now. Last lock washer. There we go. So, this is basically the finished product of the rear suspension. Shock absorbers, springs, 4-link, and Panhard rod. See if I can get you a better picture here. Not really, but I'll get another better picture of this at some other time here. But that's pretty much it. Now it all just needs to be tuned to the right. Has to be centered. So we'll get that done at another date here. There's no sway bar in here presently. I'm still waiting on it. It's stuck at border customs right now due to the ongoing fiasco with the US and Canada on tariffs. But there she goes. We'll get some more to you later on, but that's the back end. I will hook up the brake lines later on and the fuel pump wiring, which is still hanging there, and get her a little bit more tuned up. I'll also put the handbrake cables in when I get a moment, and I'll update you guys with that one too. And then the good thing is, if you walk around here, everything's just a bit of a mess right now, but there be the coilovers to the front, complete front kit. So that's going to go in too, and we'll update that on another video. Thanks for tuning in. Take care, guys.